No matter how hard we try, difficult things happen between us and others. Trust can be lost, whether it's with a friend, coworker, spouse, or family member. Broken trust is a universal human experience. Some people believe trust once lost can never be regained. But if we don't learn how to rebuild it, relationships remain fractured forever. I believe people can change. I've lost my parents' trust before, just as you may have in your own life. We all make mistakes, forget commitments, or fail responsibilities. The real question is, how do we rebuild trust once it's broken? This is Inspiring Circle, and here, you will learn about rebuilding a broken and lost trust with your loved ones. The power of belief in change. Before diving into solutions, we must believe people can change. If we don't, we close the door on reconciliation. Giving someone another chance is an act of love. It shows we care enough to rebuild rather than discard the relationship. With that mindset, let's explore 4 key steps to restoring trust. 1. Increase communication. When trust is broken, communication shouldn't stop. It should increase. A lack of communication often leads to distrust. So rebuilding requires more frequent and clear conversations. For example, when my children broke my trust, we didn't withdraw. We talked more. Rebuilding trust means initiating dialogue, not waiting for the other person to start. Remember, this is about communication, not interrogation. 2. Reestablish connection. Trust thrives on connection. If we want to rebuild it, we must actively work on reconnecting. This means being willing to listen, talk, and work through issues even when emotions are raw. Keeping someone emotionally included in your life, despite past hurts, fosters the foundation for trust to regrow. 3. Define new agreements. To move forward, both parties must discuss what went wrong and establish new agreements. Verbal promises often fail because memories fade or interpretations differ. Instead, put agreements in writing. This ensures clarity and accountability. Expectations without agreements lead to frustration, so clearly outline what changes are needed from both sides. 4. Maintain a positive narrative. Negative thoughts about someone can sabotage reconciliation. While past mistakes shouldn't be ignored, constantly dwelling on them prevents progress. Instead, focus on the possibility of change. If you keep telling yourself or others that the person will never improve, you blind yourself to their efforts. A positive mindset keeps you emotionally open and aware of real progress. The path forward. Rebuilding trust isn't easy, but it's possible. Every person deserves a chance to change. Love and forgiveness are recurring themes in life. We must keep offering them. By improving communication, reconnecting, setting clear agreements, and staying positive, trust can be restored. And when it is, the reward is a stronger, more resilient relationship. At Inspiring Circle, our mission is to provide practical steps for life's toughest challenges like rebuilding trust. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights.